fire alarm going off is always an unexpected event. Stop what you are doing and stay calm. Find out where the alarm is coming from by checking the fire alarm system console. Start by touching the door with your hand. If the door is hot, do not open it. If the door is not hot, you may carefully open it. If there is only a little smoke, help the patient out of the room. If the patient can't exit by themselves and the bed does not fit out of the door, use the rescue blanket. Rescue blanket has several straps. Use the straps to secure the patient. Lower the bed as much as possible before moving the patient. It makes using the blanket easier and safer. Pull the mattress on the floor with the strap attached to the blanket. Use the blanket and mattress to pull the patient out of the room. Moving the patient alone can be difficult. If possible, ask other people to help you. Close the door so the toxic smoke does not spread. Move the patient to a different fire compartment. Call 112 and tell them what happened. Rescue blanket can be used to evacuate a patient whom cannot move by themselves. Rescue blanket should be made into the bed under the mattress according to the instruction manual. Practice regularly how to use the rescue blanket and how to make the bed with it.